Hello everyone, today we are presenting the new QHY Mini8 Cam Combo. Our friends from QHYCCD sent us this package for a review and we're gonna go deep on the component. But before that, I believe this camera gonna be one of the best cameras for the beginners. For its affordable price, with only 800 USD, you get a monochrome sensor with 7 filters, which are the LRGB SHO, giving a huge opportunity for all the amateurs out there to express how different is monochrome imaging. Whenever someone asks me, what should I get? I always point them to a monochrome camera because you can image different gases in a city, in a desert, any type of light pollution areas. We can go and image using monochrome, while the color cameras, yes, there is a light pollution filters, but that doesn't give you the space to deal with different gases and elements in the space. But also for the MC camera lovers, the color cameras, they afford a package, a combo package with a color camera with light pollution filters and different type. I will mention them up here, and you can even go deeper. They announced that they will produce planetary filters with photometry filters. So if anyone is interested in the scientific field, I think this is the best start point. With that, let's go deeper into the package. And now we're gonna combine everything to set it for deep sky imaging. So let's start by opening the box. Oh yeah, that's the QHYCCD camera bag with the logo on it. Let's put it aside. And this is the MiniCam8 monochrome with the IMX585 sensor. The IMX585 sensor natively supports 12 bits data, but 16-bit has a better dynamic range. So QHYCCD combines high and low gain to simulate the 16 bits, which can cause a sudden changes in image smoothness. So to fix that, they created the linearity HDR mode, a software solution that ensures smoother transitions. Okay, and now these are the filters. We have 7 filters here. We have the LRGB SHO. Okay, then we got this box. Okay, screwdriver, desiccant, tweezers, and the C-mount to M48 adapter, which is what we're gonna use to connect to our telescope. And we have the 1.5 inches extension tube and extra screws. Okay, this is the cable. Okay, the power adapter, which is 12 volts. What is that? Okay, the locking power cable and the USB type 3 cable. Yeah, I think with that we are ready to go. Let's assemble everything and go to the deep sky. To set the filters, remove all 4 screws and then remove all the other screws you see here. First, I will show you how to connect the desiccant after imaging. If you have any humidity in the inner parts, you can use this part. I'll just put it here to show you the look of it. So now we're gonna combine the filters. As we said, we have the LRGB SHO, and let's open it. I will keep the sticker. I guess I should have opened it from the bottom, now to the top, so I can know the arrangement of the filters. So yeah, as you can see, I need to match them. LRGB SHO. Remove all the screws. Okay, now we gotta put it aside and use the tweezers to put the filters on, one by one. Don't rush the process. Okay, let's have the L, RGB, then SHO, and for my preferences, I will remove the dark filter because I will use the IR. If you won't use it, just keep it. So this is how it will be when you remove it. And then just cover it, secure it, and go. Now we attached the minicam to the Askar 600, and we're gonna test it tonight and see how it goes. For the test, we're gonna image the Vandenberg 62. It is a dark nebula located in the Orion constellation. The reason why I've chosen this nebula is because I need to see how powerful is this camera. So I'll combine LRGB with the H alpha. So now we are expecting the first light. Just a second. Okay. Remove that one. Yep. Pretty good. This is a clean. I know from the video it is not, but from the screen, this is something very good. I do expect something huge in the end process. I can see the details. With this image, I can build my imagination in processing this image and how I will process it. So yeah, we're hoping for the best. After finishing the session, we got these frames. These are single subs of each. This is the hydrogen alpha. Yep. And this is the red, green. Is that luminance? Yep, this is the luminance. And we got the blue. Okay. After the integration, we got these results. So this is the luminance, red, and green, blue, and luminance. We're gonna combine all of these. Then we will add the hydrogen alpha on top of them. This is the integrated hydrogen alpha. You can see that the area is rich in hydrogen. And this is the red, starless view. So we can combine all of these together. Let's see the final product. Yeah, so this is the final product on the left. If we remove the stars, you can see all the other definition. It maybe needs some enhancements, but you know, this is a very short time. When I process or image any dust related images, I go from let's say 25 hours and above. That's how we can get some good clear image. But unfortunately, as you saw, that we got a lot of clouds here, so we were limited with the time, and we got only 16 hours to play with, and we got this. In the end, I would like to thank our friends from QHYCCD for the opportunity to test their new camera, the Mini 8 Cam Combo, and test it in the field. And as you saw, with only 16 hours from Bortal 6, or almost 6, it is like 5.5 to 6, we got this result. And this target is very faint because it is a dark nebula. Yes, it has some emission nebula around it, but you know, the most dominant part is a dark nebula, makes it one of the hardest target to image and needs a lot of integration hours. And given the conditions, I would highly recommend to get this camera, especially if you don't know where can I start, from which point should I start. I believe this cam gonna be your solution. With that, we wrap up the video, and clear skies, everyone.